Wow. Hey, brother. Snowman, you move. Jesus. It's not good, eh? It's not good, mama. Second, never land and start up again. Even when you come at that place, it's wrong, but snowman. Give in a kick of sand.
Oh, no, I'm not going to go there. I have no just a full just another. And for your cash. Are you whining yourself?
Yes, here for now. Cook mom can do good. Are you? No whining, snowman. No, sorry. Sorry, sir. Your name is? Huh? Jesus. Okay. I'm going to win 1-0. 1-0. Eh? All I can't go there now.